There are fighter jets that get the glory, attack helicopters that get the fame. But for over 6 decades, one helicopter has quietly done the work that wins wars, saves lives, and keeps armies moving. It's not sleek, it's not stealthy. It has 2 massive rotors and looks like a flying school bus. But ask any soldier who served in Afghanistan, Vietnam, or Iraq, and they'll tell you the same thing. Without the Chinook, the mission doesn't happen. Today we're covering the full story of the Boeing CH-47 Chinook, from its Cold War origins to why the military still can't find anything better after 60 years. The year is 1956. The Cold War is heating up, and the U.S. Army has a problem. Their current helicopters are too slow, too small, and can't handle the weight of modern warfare. They needed a heavy-lift cargo helicopter, capable of transporting troops, equipment, and supplies over long distances. The original requirement was shocking. They wanted a helicopter that could carry the nuclear MGR-1 Honest John missile. Vertol Aircraft Corporation took on the challenge. On September 21, 1961, the CH-47 Chinook made its first flight. The first production model rolled off the assembly line in 1962, and it has never stopped rolling since. What makes the Chinook instantly recognizable is its tandem-rotor design. 2 3-bladed rotors, one mounted at the front, one at the rear, spinning in opposite directions. Why does this matter? Because without a tail rotor, all of the engine power goes straight into lift and forward speed. Upon its introduction in 1962, it was considerably faster than every utility and attack helicopter of the era. Powered by 2 Honeywell turboshaft engines, it reaches speeds of up to 170 knots, around 315 kilometers per hour, with a range of 400 nautical miles. Its unique design also delivers stability, agility, and rear ramp access even on completely unprepared terrain. And the payload? The CH-47D can lift external loads up to 26,000 pounds. That's artillery guns, armored vehicles, other helicopters, slung beneath it like they weigh nothing. The Chinook's combat history is as long as its service life. Vietnam, the Chinook proved itself immediately, hauling troops and supplies into jungle terrain where no other helicopter could operate. The Falklands War, British Chinooks flew in conditions so extreme, pilots operated without instruments in total fog over the South Atlantic. Operation Desert Storm, 1991, Chinooks executed one of the largest helicopter assaults in history, moving entire battalions deep into Iraqi territory overnight. Afghanistan, its greatest test. The Chinook became the primary cargo carrier during the entire 20-year Afghanistan conflict. It was the only U.S. military helicopter capable of crossing Afghanistan's rugged mountain ranges at altitude. Special Forces used a secretive variant, the MH-47, for night raids, including some of the most classified missions in U.S. history. The MH-47 variants were built with in-flight refueling, advanced weapon and radar systems, and a fast rope rappelling system, purpose-built for elite special operations. What truly sets the Chinook apart is how universally trusted it has become. Today, the H-47 Chinook is the heavy-lift helicopter of choice for the U.S. Army and 20 international operators: the UK, Australia, India, Italy, Japan, Saudi Arabia, the Netherlands. India operates Chinooks specifically for Himalayan high-altitude missions, the exact same terrain the Zorawar tank was built for. Every nation that operates it says the same thing: nothing else does what the Chinook does. Here's what's remarkable. The Chinook has never stopped improving. The CH-47D upgrade featured composite rotor blades, an improved electrical system, modularized hydraulics, triple cargo hooks, and more powerful engines handling a 19,500-pound load, nearly twice the original lift capacity. Then came the CH-47F in 2006, digital cockpit, advanced avionics, even more power. And now, the Block 2 Chinook. It adds a strengthened structure, redesigned fuel tanks, an improved drivetrain, and open avionics architecture, increasing lift, extending range, and preparing the fleet for decades more of service. A recent $250 million contract for 5 additional aircraft suggests the Chinook could achieve a 100-year service life, joining a very short list of aircraft that have lasted a full century. Fighter jets get the movies. Stealth bombers get the headlines. But when a soldier is stranded on a 15,000-foot mountain ridge, when a village is flooded and roads are gone, when an army needs to move 10 tons of equipment overnight with no runway, there is only one call they make: troops transported, equipment delivered, wounded evacuated, disasters survived. For over 60 years, across every war, every continent, every crisis, the CH-47 Chinook has shown up. Not the flashiest machine in the sky, just the most important one. If you want more deep dives on legendary military machines, hit subscribe and turn on notifications,